Customizing the CreditSaint money-back guarantee is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what the money-back guarantee entails. CreditSaint offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, which allows customers to receive a full refund if they are not satisfied with the service. Step 1 is to review the terms and conditions of the guarantee. This can be found on the CreditSaint website or by contacting their customer service team. It is crucial to understand the eligibility criteria and the process for requesting a refund. Step 2 is to evaluate the progress of the credit repair process. If after 90 days, the customer is not satisfied with the results, they can initiate the refund process. This involves contacting CreditSaint's customer service team and providing the necessary documentation to support the claim. To increase the chances of a successful refund, it is recommended to keep detailed records of all interactions with CreditSaint, including correspondence and payment receipts. This will help to facilitate the refund process and ensure that the customer receives a full refund. Best practices for customizing the money-back guarantee include carefully reviewing the terms and conditions, understanding the eligibility criteria, and keeping detailed records of all interactions. By following these steps and best practices, customers can ensure a smooth and successful refund process. In conclusion, customizing the CreditSaint money-back guarantee is a simple process that requires a clear understanding of the terms and conditions, eligibility criteria, and refund process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, customers can navigate the process with ease and receive a full refund if they are not satisfied with the service.